In a world that constantly rushes, that pulls us in 1,000 different directions, finding a moment of stillness can feel like an act of defiance. Calmness is not the absence of the storm, but the quiet strength we find within it. It is often a brave and deliberate choice. Think of those emotionally charged moments when your heart pounds and your thoughts race. Our instinct is to react, to be swept away by the tide of anger, frustration, or fear. But remaining calm in these moments requires a profound level of restraint and maturity. It's the space between the trigger and the response where our true power lies. This power begins with a simple yet transformative tool, the mindful pause. Before you speak, before you act, just stop. Take one conscious breath. Inhale slowly, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale completely, releasing the tension from your shoulders. This small anchor in the present moment creates a pocket of peace, allowing you to choose your response rather than being commanded by your reaction. From this space of stillness, we can practice reframing our thoughts. We can ask ourselves, is there another way to see this? What can I learn from this feeling? By shifting our perspective, we can loosen the grip that negative emotions have on us. A frustrating obstacle can become a challenge to overcome. A moment of criticism can become an opportunity for growth. This ability to remain centered is not an innate gift, but a skill cultivated through daily practice. It doesn't require grand gestures. It's found in the quiet moments you carve out for yourself. A 5-minute breathing exercise in the morning, a mindful walk during your lunch break, or simply taking a moment to feel your feet on the ground. Each small act is a rehearsal for life's bigger challenges. In this way, calmness becomes more than just a feeling. It becomes a reflection of your inner courage and a testament to your self-awareness. It is the quiet confidence that you can handle whatever comes your way. So today, and every day, practice this calm courage. Breathe, pause, and choose the peace that already resides within you. In a world that
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.